I built this frame for this mirror, mounted it to the wall. Now, what I've noticed is I didn't paint the back of the frame boards. So, you see the reflection of the back of the board, and it looks bad. I should have painted that board white. So, I can't really take apart this whole frame and do that, so I've decided to add this trim. You see this nice accent piece of trim at the top. So the problem with this trim, or the challenge with it, is that it also has to be painted on the back, a mistake that I didn't make, so I painted that. But I also want to snug this trim up, see this bottom piece right here, as close to the mirror as possible. The problem is that I don't really have a good grip system for the clamp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pillow. Okay, my wife will love this idea. And I'm going to use this as a little spring action to push this piece of trim hard against the mirror while the glue is drying behind it. A pillow as a spring clamp. A note about clamps: 2 clamps are always better than 1. I'm Rich Ochoa, and that's how to make your wife happy by using a pillow as a spring clamp. Don't be a dumbass.